Hi doll, I hope you're doing well. This is a new vlog. I am doing my maintenance this week, so it's gonna be maintenance vlog. I hope you are subscribed. If you haven't, please double check and make sure that you are subscribed. I'll just be doing my nails, my hair, my lashes. I'm not sure about the lashes because I'm scared of losing my real lashes, but I'll be doing my lashes and then my toes, and then I'll see. Just double check. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and enjoy the vlog. We're going to my mom's now. It's a house call. It's quite late, so I'm doing a house call. So yeah, enjoy the vlog.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib talk will come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pen size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights, one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had the poppers from the recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked on, said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib talk will come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pen size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights, one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had the poppers from the recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Daddy go for me, she on pop up. Daddy go for me, she on pop up. You get money and we keeping it. I'm getting can, I'm keeping it. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Daddy go for me, she on pop up. Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she run it up. She can never be broke, cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. To be popular, that's a dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell my soul to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream cause she popular. She mainstream cause she popular. Never be free cause she popular. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a fuck Percocet, but on my baby poppin' that Adderall. For sure.
Way too rich to drive a road. Made $1 million on the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her on the bros. I done put her in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man of mine. Pull up in the church like Caliban. Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Young nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick, said she was a pro. She straight with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She brought it like she's flags. We turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I dress all black. For sure 900 racks. To the East Coast, double that. On my neck, a bubble back. On my wrist, new Cadillac. Cause I all don't want a bag. Little bitch, I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the knives.
For sure.
Blessings, see, nigga.
This the Game of Thrones, Yeezy not the clones. Elon with my rocket ship, it's time to go home. They served us the porn, since the day we was born. Anybody pissed off, gotta make a drink to urine. Now I'm Ye Kelly, bitch. Now I'm Bill Cosby, bitch. Now I'm Puff Daddy Rich. That's me, to me rich. Where she say she said my dick? And she say she ain't said my dick. She gon' take it up the air like a ventriloquist. I mean, sis Taylor Swift. Since I had the rolling on the wrist, I'm the new Jesus, bitch. I turn water to Chris. This for what they did to Chris. They can't do shit with this. Got my kids in a fake school. We ain't go.
Hands so good, she an honorable. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Hands so good, she an honorable. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride a dick like a carnival. Been over, having flashbacks, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. It's the way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready. I'm going barnacles. Moving to feel like a Jason, can't get arrested, I make them start mode. She want a private session, roll off them X's when I'm on mirror. She tatted my name on her titties, yeah, you could bust it, but it's a borrow. Sitting back counting up doors, I was raised in a burrow. She wanna taste it, checking the sweat today, ho, come back tomorrow. If you know what I know, how's your hoe? Just out the fest, I'm having them honchos. Running around in the lobby, I know that they tired me, having like 10 hoes. She needs some credentials, just to be presidential. Hold up, I'm out to buy some ditches, make the hoe eat me for dinner. Whoa, pain, all of my eyes, I can't see. I'm out to jump out my body, I'm ready to leave. I'm out to nut on her body and tell the whole leave. 50 million stuff in the bag, tell the whole gang eat. It's late and body, tell me who fucking with we. Oh, I like that car, I'm feeling that whole my sleep. Dollar signs all of my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Whoa. This way, cover my body like it's a disease. Whoa.
For sure. I'm a fuck like I said, but on my baby poppin' that Adderall. For sure. That pussy be perfect wet when you win it, it feel like it's grabbing you. Go. That's a good shit on the rules. Right there like carnival. I don't get the impossible. Go. That's a good shit on the rules. Right there like carnival. I don't get the impossible. Go. Let's see, nigga.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? To fly it though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think